Okay, so for the second writing exercise, please search your house and find 3 objects. I've got 3 here. A glass jar, a tava I used to make my roti, slipper, and then for each, quickly jot down a description. Not forgetting to use your senses, remember, that's important when writing. So for my tava, it could be it's black, it's circular, it's hard, it's cold to touch, it has a resonating bell sound when not, I don't know. Slipper, it's soft to touch, it's silent, it's dusty pink, it's flimsy. This jar, it's transparent, it's cold, it smells like dust, I don't know. Okay, so for each description, for each item, we've described them, of their function, of what they do, how they feel, what they sound like. And then the fun begins, because I would like you to use your imagination and sprinkle some surreal qualities over these objects. So for instance, this tava, it's not just for baking roti, it's actually a portal that you can jump through and go to a different time. Or if you tap it 3 times, you can actually speak to the trees. I don't know. Okay, but see what I mean? Don't stop at one quality. Go use imagination and see what comes up. So yeah, try and do that for all 3, just to generate some ideas. So a everyday description of its function, of its what it looked like, its appearance, and then think of some surreal qualities you can attach to the objects. Yeah, but do that for each object. Fantastic.